In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Hostinger Webmail. Accessing your Hostinger emails doesn't have to be a complicated process, and today, I'll guide you through each step so you can manage your emails swiftly and efficiently. First, let's start by opening your preferred web browser. It doesn't matter if you're using Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser, as long as it's one you're comfortable with. Once your browser is up and running, locate the address bar at the top of your screen. This is where you enter the URL to navigate directly to a website. Next, type in mail.hostinger.com and press enter on your keyboard. This web address will take you directly to Hostinger's Webmail login page. If you're unfamiliar with what a webmail client is, think of it as an online email management system. It's much like using Gmail or Yahoo Mail, but specific to your domain and hosting provider. Now that you're on the Webmail login page, you'll notice there are fields requesting an email address and password. At this point, enter your full email address associated with your Hostinger account. Remember, it's important to include your full email, not just the username or name part, before the @ symbol. This ensures the system correctly identifies you and associates you with your domain. Double-check that everything is spelled correctly, especially after the @ symbol, as errors here can prevent you from logging in. Following this step, enter your password in the next field. This should be the same password you use to access your email account on Hostinger. If you find yourself struggling to remember it, consider using a secure password manager for organization and security. Once both your email address and password are in place, take a moment to verify everything is correct. A simple typo can lead to a login error, and we want to make sure there are no unnecessary troubles as you access your emails. After confirming that the information is correct, move your cursor over to the Login button. Click on this button to proceed. If everything's been correctly entered, you will be guided straight into your inbox. Congratulations! You've successfully logged into your Hostinger Webmail account. From here, you can read, reply to, and organize all your emails as needed. Should you encounter any issues during this process, such as forgotten passwords or trouble loading the webmail page, Hostinger's support team is readily available to help you resolve these issues promptly. That wraps up today's tutorial. I hope this guide helped you smoothly navigate and open Hostinger Webmail. Until next time, happy emailing!